Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook not loading problem. So let's say you open your Facebook and nothing just like loads up. First you have to check your Wi-Fi, because if your Wi-Fi is slow then that could be the main problem, so check it. But if your Wi-Fi is not slow and you're still facing the problem, then you need to do this. Check for updates. Go to your app store and see if there's any update available for Facebook. And if there's any update available, make sure to update your Facebook. So my Facebook says open over here, which means it's up to date. So no update is available, my Facebook is up to date. And the next thing you need to do is go inside your phone setting. And inside of your phone settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Facebook. Click on Facebook once you see it. And where it says allow tracking, make sure you turn that on. Click on allow. Once you do that, basically your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is go inside your setting again, but this time go in general. From general, click on where it says iPhone storage and wait for some time until this loads up. Once it loads up completely, scroll all the way down until you see Facebook. Once you see Facebook, click on it and click on offload app. Click on offload. Once your Facebook app is offloaded, click on reinstall app and your Facebook will be reinstalled. Once you do that, your Facebook problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. Your problem should be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix your Facebook not loading issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.